Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So here at the P Spot, we just added a brand new segment at the end of our videos, so make sure you stay tuned all the way to the end because you're not going to want to miss it. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called It's Good. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, what you're going to need are some full noodles. You need some cones. You're going to need a water bottle. You'll need to make your own little triangle football, as well as, again, some more pool noodles. So stay tuned. I'll go ahead and show you the 3 levels in just a moment. Alright, so for level 1, here's the setup. What we have is our field goal post here. We're going to have 2 different options for you guys to choose. If you want to score 1 point, you're going to be about 4 feet away. 1, 2, 3, about 4 feet away for 1 point. Just got to kick it up, make it in. If you want to get 3 points, you go 6 feet away and again, kick it and try to make it through. So level 1, again, is a 1-minute challenge. You're going to have 2 different options to make it in 1 point at about the 4-foot mark or 3 points at the 6-foot mark. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, that's 4 points. Oh, that's 4 points. Oh, that's 6 points. That's 10 points. Oh, just missed. Oh. Oh, 13. And time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, just missed them. 3 points. Oh, to the right. Oh, 6 points. Nice job. Oh, 9 points. Oh, 12 points. Holy guacamole. Oh, oh, 15 points. 18 points. Oh, just missed. Last one. All right, 18 points. All right, so now we're moving on to level 2. Now for level 2, we actually cut a 9 inches of a pool noodle, and that's going to be the next thing that we're going to kick. All right, so here we go, level 2. Again, I'm using my pool noodle to kick it. Once again, point value is just staying the same. At 4 feet, we're gonna do 1 point, and at 6 feet, it's gonna be worth 3. Okay, so let's get ready to go. Starting at 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that's it. Oh, not hard enough. There you go, 1 point. Oh, oh. 2 points.
Oh, just went in. 5 points. 8 points. And time.
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, nice kick. He's going for those 3-pointers. Oh, just wide left. And he has to get it through the uprights. Good try, good try. Nice, 3 points. Nice job, Gordon.
Oh, so close. Oh, just missed it. 6 points. 3, 2, 1.
At the buzzer, end of game, 9 points. All right, so now we're moving on to level 3. Now, level 3 is like an old school game we used to play. It was a triangle flick football, except instead of flicking it, we're actually gonna kick it and try to make it in the upright. So stay tuned for level 3 in just a moment. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh. Ah, just missed. Oh, 1 point. Two points. Oh, 5 points. Eight points. And time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, just missed it. Oh, if you remember playing this game when you were a child, oh, there it is, 1 point. It's good. Make sure you guys drop the comment below and write, it's good. Oh, 2 points. It's good. Oh, just missed it. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of, what do we call it? So we just ended. Well, we really hope you enjoyed this game of It's Good. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And please drop a comment below. Let us know what was your favorite part of the activity, what modifications you would be doing. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, because we'd like to see, again, those modifications that you are doing to this game and any different activities you are going to be using our implements. So again, use our hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.